Hey, what's up, guys? I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend and I hope you're having a really good start to the week. It's July 18th, and I want to go over I want to give you all a quick message. And first of all, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion. I am no financial advisor, and if you invest in the stock market, do so after doing your own due diligence. All right. So, what I want to share with you is that it is a-okay to take small profits. You don't have to invest or buy a stock with the intention of always, turning or flipping a 10 to 12%, 18% profit. That's going to happen. There are times where that will happen, but in most cases, that's not gonna happen in a short period of time. Even if you're swing trading, if you get really lucky, you may hit that 12% gain here and there. But if you average 3 or 4% gains, even 2% gains on your trades, that's not a bad thing, because remember, some profit is better than no profit. A small gain is better than no gain, or even better, in my opinion, it's better than being stuck in a trade for weeks that may eventually go up. And it normally, most stocks, if it's a solid company, they will eventually go up if you dollar cost average, and you will make your gain, your profits on it. But it's just my opinion. If you get in a stock and it goes up, it's not a bad thing to take your small profit. So let me give you an example of what I mean by this. Let me show you my history, my trading history as of today. Now, I invested a small amount in Carvana, and this is just I'm showing you this for illustration. I do invest on Cash App. I also invest on other platforms as well. But this here, and I was going over in another video, that Carvana I thought was going to go up, which it did go up. And I sold my position today, as you can see here, at 9:54 or 9:34 a.m. And my position sold for $209.22. All right. So let's come back. Let's go a little farther back and that was a custom sell order. I set a custom sell order and I actually canceled that. But so let's go down to when I actually bought this stock. Here we go. Then Cash App is not updating their history, so you can't really see it right now. But just so you know, I invested $200. There it is. It's popping up now. Here we go. So as you can see, on Tuesday, I bought $200 worth of fractional shares of Tesla, of Carvana, right? And so I held it. And as of today, now a few days have passed. Actually, 4 trading days have passed. So as of this morning, I had about a 4% gain, and I could have held on to it, and Carvana would have gone up higher eventually. But I said, you know what? I'm just gonna take my profits and get out of Dodge, and that's what I did. And it was a 4-point-something% profit. Took it, and I tell you what. If somebody tells me that I can if I can invest, buy a stock, and pull a 4% gain out within a few days, hey, I would have absolutely no problem with that. If that's all I could get, hey, I'm in this for life. I'm in it for life anyway. So I just want to show you all the power of swing trading, the power of investing. Your money is working for you. You're not having to sit in the cubicle. You're not having to, flip burgers. You're not having to drop people off and pick people up. You're basically swing trading. You can set your limit orders to sell for you when it hits whatever limit you want to sell it at. Let me show you one more that I actually sold out of today. Again, I apologize. Cash App is a little bit slow. Here we go. Okay. And don't let that, and when I say that, don't let that scare you. It does pop up, but sometimes it can be a little slow in showing you your history. But it is there. It does. There's no problem. I give Cash App high marks on everything. Everything updates fairly quickly. Let's see here. Okay. Let's look at Upstart. Very similar story. All right. I sold Upstart on Friday for $204.67. The original amount invested was $200. So I took my 2%, which was an even smaller gain, a 2% gain, and I got out of Dodge again. So those are just two examples. I know normally I show y'all the ones that where I took an 8% or 10%, 14% gain or profit. But these small gains, hey, they count too. And it all adds up. So, if I had invested $1,000 into this stock, that would have been a gain of $20 on 2%. So, basically you get out of it what you put into it. Like I said, it doesn't matter how much you invest. You can get started with as little as $1, $10, $200, $8,000. It doesn't matter. You don't have. There is no limit as to what amount of money you can invest, whether you're day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. That is the power of investing in the stock market. If you live in the United States, most people don't really realize how, what the opportunities we have here, because there are people throughout the world that wish they had an opportunity to invest in the United States stock market, in the U.S. stock market, but they can't because of their physical location. So, guys, I'm just saying, consider it. Take a look at, the opportunities, and just look at it as an option for you to start your journey to creating wealth. And, you never know, you may be able to leave a legacy to some of your loved ones down the road. That's all I have for y'all today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and you'll be hearing from me soon here within the next couple of days. All right. Have a good one.